If you use Airdrop to share with others using your iPhone or iPad, did you know that you can change the device name that appears? In this video, I'll show you how to change your iPhone's name so when others are looking for you, they'll know who to choose. By changing your Airdrop name, you'll also be changing the iPhone's name itself. You can change this how many times you want to whatever you want, and it's super easy. For instance, you may want to change it to your actual name when you're around friends and family, but something more random or generic when you're in public. To get started, we'll open the Settings app. Scroll down a bit and then tap General. At the top here, choose About. Inside of this menu here at the top, you'll see Name. This is the name that'll appear to people when they try to airdrop you, as well as the name of this iPhone. Now, one thing I found is, if the person who's trying to airdrop you has you in their contacts already, it may just show up for them as what they have you saved in their phone as. If they don't though, then this is the name that'll appear for them. To change it, just select Name and then update it in here. When you're finished, just tap Done. It may take a moment for your name to update and broadcast the new one, and if you're still having troubles and it's taken a super long time, you could try to reboot your device and that should push the new one out. One last thing you can try if you're still having issues is updating your iCloud name. This shouldn't be needed, but I can show you where it is just in case. Head back to the main menu and then tap your name at the top. Inside of here, choose Name, Phone Numbers, and Email at the top, and then your name again at the top inside of here. You can try changing this, which again is your iCloud name, and when you're finished, just tap Done on the top right. Like I said though, you shouldn't need to do this, but if you're still having issues, it may help. And that's how you change your iPhone's name display when using Airdrop.